Hi Brookwood, I have an app for you. It's called Pocket. It's an app that I really like, and I hope that you like it as well. I really see two different applications for this app. The first one is really for your own professional development, and there's also a student application I think that would some of you could use as well. Um, Here's kind of how the app works, and if you're anything like me, you're online, you're researching things, and you come across different articles that you might want to read. And it seems like, at least for me, that anytime I find some really cool article or neat article that I want to read, it's right up against when I have a class coming in, or for whatever reason I don't have a chance to read that article. What Pocket allows you to do is basically save that article into your Pocket, and then you can read that article on any one of your devices. So if you save it into your Pocket on your computer, you're able to access it later on your iPad or your phone or some other device. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to my actual computer view here so you can kind of see how it works. Like I said, it's pretty cool. So here you can see I'm on my Pocket webpage. I'm going to show you how to get to this here really quick. You're going to have to go into your Chrome app launcher and just go to the web store. And there you can type in Pockets, and this is where you would get Pockets to be an add-on. So you type in Pocket, and this is the one that you want. You just would hit Add to Chrome, and what's going to happen then is this little icon here is going to show up with the rest of your add-ons that you might have if you're using the Chrome browser. Okay, so once you have Pocket, then you can go to My Pocket here, and in your Pocket you can see different articles that you have saved. Okay, so these are articles that I've thought maybe I want to read, and what I would do then is I would just click on this button and it automatically saves it into my Pocket. So oftentimes what I'll do is I'll find articles on Twitter. So for instance, if I'm looking through Twitter here and I see an article, like if I click on this article here and I say, oh man, this is really awesome, I might want to read this, but I don't have time right now, what I'll do is I just click on this Pocket button and then it saves it into my Pocket. And then at a later time I can go back into my Pocket and I can see here is that article that I've saved along with the other ones, and when I have a chance to read it then I can click on the article. So now I'm on my iPad right now, so you can see I'm going to scroll over and I'll enter into my Pocket app, and here are all my articles that I've saved into my Pocket. If I click on this first one, It Starts With Us, you can see I now have the ability to read this article. The nice thing is that the app will get rid of some of the unneeded features like the videos, pictures, just kind of basically the words, and you can easily go through and you can read the article. The other really nice feature is that if I go up to these three little buttons on the top, I can actually listen to the article, so the app will read it to me. So for me, I like to load these up and I go into my car and drive home, and I can listen to articles on the way home. So it almost turns it into a podcast, which is, again, a real nice feature. You can turn any article into a podcast. You can listen to it on your way home or on the way to school or anytime that you get a chance to do that. And then, of course, for some of our students, possibly that have trouble reading, you can have them read the article or listen to the article with some aid from the app. So a great feature here, that listen part of the app. So again, Pocket, I like it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to work with you. Thanks.